I don't know what to call this other than I should really send it to my therapist. there's a few factors here. I was depressed. It was the holidays and I wanted to get some really great gifts for a lot of amazing people in my life. How annoying that I have so many great people that I have to shop for. So if you are
Cody, Chrissy, Callie, Jackson, Dev, my mom, Lars, Megan, Jillian, Sasha,
yeah, just don't watch this because your gift will probably be here. There was also Black Friday, Cyber Monday. A lot of this is that stuff. I don't really receive PR anymore, but I did actually receive 2 PR packages this month, so I have no idea what is inside those. Let's hop in over here. This is a package from Skims, and I picked up some holiday stuff from like their holiday collection. Okay, I have 2 from Skims, and I did buy these. I actually was up for a deal, like a working with them, and then it didn't happen. But I shopped from them anyways. My friend Jules requested this beautiful set right here for the holidays. I don't want to like open it, but it's like their rhinestone underwear. Just keep this nice. You are a gift. And then it comes with like the rhinestone matching bralette. So that is the first gift that I got done. I did for Arrow's grandpa get something from Skims. I'm not going to tell him it's from Skims because I don't think he would like to support them. But they had this cutest onesie, right? And then I wanted him to match his granddaughter, so I got Arrow a matching onesie too. I just thought it was really cute for them to have a matching set. Me and my mom match all the time. I match all the time with Arrow, so now they have a set that is just theirs. And the cozy collection is so soft. I did end up getting something for myself from the cozy collection. I have a set from them that is 2 years old, the cozy collection, and I still wear it. It's not as soft, obviously, as it was, but the quality does really hold up. I got the hot pink sweatshirt and the matching pants. Ooh. Oh, I thought I got the drawstring ones. Okay, so these are the jogger set, no drawstring. So cute, so cozy. I will live in these. I already live in my old set. One of the deals Skims was having, I think it was like 5 for $25 of their socks, and their socks actually aren't very comfy, but they do have a good slouch to them, so I like it. I got myself this blue pair, I thought it was a really pretty cobalt. I can never say that word. Blue. And then I got my mom a very nice, like, light pastel-y sea green color. I thought this was much more her vibe. I hadn't tried, this is the same color, but this is their Sport Crew sock. So I wanted to pick up those. Those actually feel really comfy. Again, the slouchy ones, like, they're kind of rough, but they have a cute slouch. And then I picked up some everyday mid-calf in white and black socks to round off the 5 for $25. This I want to wear with like loafers. This I got because it was on sale. It is their cozy collection. They didn't have in stock the matching bottom. It's in the color smoke, but yeah, I thought this would be really cute just with like leggings. Again, their cozy collection, you could not go wrong with. It's so soft, such good quality. And I got sucked in. I think it was 4 for $25 for their underwear, and oh my god, these look actually really small. Why do they look so small? They're cotton jersey, like, boy shorts. These are their Fits Everybody boy shorts. I really love boy shorts. They're like my go-to, and I'm kind of over thongs, so I got another boy short. Those are like the Fits Everybody and the cotton jersey. This is a different material. I actually don't think I'm gonna like this as much. I don't know which collection. Maybe this is the Jelly Sheer. I just thought the color was really cute and they were selling out fast. And then I did get one of their Fits Everybody dipped thong in this like army green color. That's everything from Skims. I did get a package from Popflex. They did gift this to me because they're having an event next weekend. Hopefully I'm not sick for, like a yoga class, and so they wanted to gift an outfit that everyone can wear to the event. Sent over this really nice white t-shirt basic. I believe this is their Cloud Flex collection, and then a pair of smoke leggings that actually might look no, I don't think that'll work. This I think I'm really gonna love. It's a little sports bra. Ooh, I hope it fits. The girls are gone, but I really hope it fits because this feels really nice. And then, you know, I like comfy matching sets. It's just really easy, and these look like a really great pair of high-waisted sweatpants with pockets. But what I think really makes this is this little cropped, it's like cropped oversized sweatshirt, but it has these rhinestone drawstrings, which I've never seen, and I think really adds something nice for the holidays. I think I'm gonna wear this. I think I'm gonna wear this with the bra if I'm healthy enough to go, and then yeah, that's good stuff. I did open one package. I guess this is the last package of stuff for me. A lot of this is stuff that I already know I love that was on like a Black Friday Cyber Monday deal from Amazon. This Myers collection right here, the Peony, I bought it on a whim and it is the best scent in the entire world. So I stocked up on the Peony set. I have been adding collagen to smoothies. I really love it. I highly suggest it. Really great for like postpartum too. I'm finishing up my first tub. This will be my second tub. I got really into ordering matcha from Starbucks and it's just overpriced, so I wanted to pick up matcha for myself. This is the Peak Sun Goddess matcha, and yeah, I'm gonna make it at home. I'm not gonna buy it out anymore. One of my favorite snacks right now are chilled. You wanna put these in the refrigerator. Julie's pitted medjooled dates dipped in this specifically, the Barney butter smooth almond butter. This is really good, and definitely make these cold. You can use peanut butter. I'm now allergic to peanuts, and this has been the best almond butter peanut butter substitute I have found. This is also on sale, and I've been wanting to try the Elta MD tinted sunscreen. This is what Hailey Bieber uses all of the time, and I just really want to give it a try just for like a really easy everyday throw on base and like no other makeup. That way I get a tint and some sunscreen. I will report back on if it's actually worth the hype. I ran out of hairspray, so I picked up the Kenra Light Hold hairspray because it was on sale. I have not used this, but I really love the Kenra Shine Spray, so I have high hopes for him. And I am out of shampoo. I started using my daughter's baby toddler shampoo. It didn't quite do what I wanted it to, so I had to pick up Pureology. Has been one of my go-tos like on and off for 10 years. This one, I don't know what it is. It says it's from Frida Baby. I have not received a package from them, I think, since my daughter was a newborn, and I feel like they make a lot of newborn items, so I'm really curious as to what they oh my god. You're gonna see why I'm laughing in a second. This looks incredible. It's an all-in-one potty system. I am potty training next month, which is why I bought a potty. I was gonna go the other route of just doing like the seat attachment, and then I took the Big Little Feelings potty learning program, and they really suggested like a small potty to introduce, and now I have 2 potties, so maybe I'll take this one to grandma's house or give this to her dad, because I don't know if he has a potty yet, but I have 2 potties now. I didn't even know Frida Baby made a potty thing. Damn, this is like stage 1, and then the seat attachment, and then the stool, and liners and mats. I'll try each potty, and I'll let you guys know what I end up liking. I had like pre-open just so we could move faster, but I actually just picked these up like 30 minutes ago from my mailroom, so we're gonna open them real time. I am going on a journey of trying to, I like my short hair, but I want to grow out some hair loss I had, so I bought some rosemary oil from Amazon. I'll link it down below, but you have to dilute it with like coconut oil or some kind of other oil. So I picked this up, and it was on Black Friday sale, and a Tangle teaser because my daughter threw mine in the toilet with pee in it, and I had already had it for 2 years, so thought it was time to upgrade. This is also a Black Friday deal find. It is the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo in Coconut Colada. I've never tried. Ooh, that's good. That's really nice. That's more of like a summery dry shampoo. I mean, I'm still gonna use it in winter, but Coconut Colada, that's nice with this. Did get a lot of stuff for myself. I'm feeling kind of bad. I have a favorite pair of leggings on Amazon. They're by Split 59. They're like the flared yoga pants. I have them in black, so I got them in gray. Specifically, again, I thought this would go together. These grays are just, I don't know, it might, I thought they were the same gray. This actually feels a little bit of a different material than the black ones. I think I might like the black ones better. Maybe I'll try them on and see if I need to end up returning them or not, because they are a pricier legging, but I really love the black ones. This I got for my daughter because we're both sick. I'm trying to entertain her at home. I love these mess-free markers. They only draw on this paper. I ran out of the paper. We've drawn through all of our books, but we still have the markers, so I just picked up some new paper, and this is the Paw Patrol one. I thought it'd be fun because all the paper I've been buying is blank, and this you get to actually, I think, like draw in, yeah, you get to draw in like the dogs. I picked up these for my puppy. She loves greenies. We always do a greenie after her walks, and so I get the petite version so she can have like multiple a day for after every single walk. This one is heavy. What are you? Household stuff. I got some Tide Pods. Yes, must have. Okay, these are actually my monthly shipments. I do like the subscribe and save, so you save money. I think I have them set up for like every 2 months. I also have, you guys know what this is if you're a mom. It's the applesauce pouches. My daughter's obsessed. They're so easy to grab and go as a snack, so they're a part of my subscribe and save routine. Okay, Megan, if you're watching, don't. This is your Christmas gift. I got you Uggs. They're the platform pink ones. I just thought this was so you. I really hope you don't have, I don't think you have pink Uggs or the platform ones. I know you love the fluffy ass slides, so I didn't want to do those, but these were like selling out everywhere, and I knew they like weren't gonna go on Black Friday deal or anything, so I picked those up for you. A lot of the boxes behind me I did pre-open to package as gifts. So seriously, if you're a family or friend, you can stop watching now unless you want to ruin Christmas or your birthday. I have 3 birthdays in December. I did almost forget, I did pick up one more other thing for me. I really wanted a pair of pants that looked like I dressed up, but that felt like leggings or sweatpants, and I found the perfect pair from Free People. They were on sale, and I've tried them on. I'm obsessed. I love them. I think they come in another color too. They have like a cool ribbed velvet vibe to them, and they're just a really awesome cream color. I feel like you could dress this down with like a cream sweater. You could dress it up. I feel like there's a lot of options. I have Arrow's birthday and Christmas gift here. I actually don't know what I want to do for birthday versus Christmas. I think this I'm gonna do for his birthday. I got him the Jack Black beard wash with the Jack Black beard oil. If you have a man in your, I mean, I don't have a man in my life, but if you have a guy you have to shop for and they have a beard, this is a really nice gift. You can get them just a little 2-piece set. And then because he is my daughter's father, my baby daddy, I think getting a gift that is for his daughter is a great way to go. He loves Jurassic Park, so I got him this Jurassic Park hoodie for Arrow and a matching, not matching, but Jurassic Park themed t-shirt. So yeah, I got him one thing for him and then like one thing for him as a father. I don't know which should be Christmas and like which should be his birthday. His mom's birthday is actually 2 days before him in December. So I got her a birthday gift. There's this company, MEJ. It's like a small company and I like to support small companies, and they had this really cute pair of earmuffs. They're actually more purple than I thought pink, but she's going to the snow for the holidays, and honestly she's just a really hard person to shop for, so I hope she likes these little earmuffs. Arrow's aunt is in college and she's like, not a girly girl, but she's also someone hard to buy for, and so I got her these Love Shack fancy hair ties. It comes in like a set of 2. She's like, her vibe's kind of Emma Chamberlain-esque, but like a little girly, so I thought this was a good thing for her. I don't know, I feel like everyone's so hard to shop for. And then my daughter's father's girlfriend's birthday is also in December, and so I found this really cute necklace that has a D on it for her name. It's like half pearls and half chain. I will link this down below, but I thought that was just really cute and very personal because, you know, it has her initial. My nose is so stuffed up. Okay, I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of black bags, Wednesday Addams. What are you doing? This is just my gifting hack. I can't wrap. I always buy black gift bags. That way I always have them on hand for every occasion and every holiday. If I do a kid's birthday, I will get like a more festive gift bag, but I do festive tissue paper and a black bag for every holiday. It just makes it really simple, whether it's Christmas or Hanukkah or a birthday or a housewarming gift. You're getting a black bag from me. I get them as like a very big set. It comes with like a small, medium, and large from Amazon. I will link it down below. And then what I also do is I get black twine, because getting a card for everyone can be expensive, and so I do black twine, and then I get something that could, like, if I use this red heart, that could be a Christmas vibe, and then I'll just, you know, there's a little hole that you can push through, put the twine, and then that way you can easily see who each gift is for. Yeah, it's just like a bunch of really cute little hearts that you can add to the black gift bag. And with tissue paper, I do red sparkle, black, or pink, and it keeps it simple, stress-free. I've been doing this for a few years now, and I haven't had any complaints. If you are a personal family or friend and you don't see a gift here, it's because I think that you're nosy and you're watching this video, and I'm not going to expose the gifts to you. If you're curious about anything I showed, I will link it in the video description. Now I have about 2 hours to pack all these gifts, clean everything up, break down all these boxes, take out the trash, and prep the room because my daughter is coming back from her father and we're gonna mother while sick. We got this. Oh my god. And I will see you next Monday. Bye!